Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tint and today I'm going to teach you PreLoader in a jQuery, HTML and CSS. Right, so let's see a demo and understand it. What is in PreLoader? Right, so I'm refreshing a browser and here you can see a GIF image loader. Right, after some time your content will appear. Right, so this is the normal content. You can add video, audio, images and your text it here, and when you refresh, someone visit your site, first they can see here a loader, right, and after that you can they will see able to see this content, right. So refresh and you can see. So this is pretty good for our websites and it gives a nice effect in our website, right. So let's write a code and make this. So first you need to subscribe my channel, click it here, right. So let's write a code and see. So I have created the project which is the PreLoader, right, it here, and I have created the index.html file. Just drag it and drop it here, right. So I have added my own CSS it here, style.css, we will see in a minute, right. And this is for the PreLoader, right. Div here we will see this GIF image, you can see on a center, and here are the normal content. You can add image, video, audio and the text it here, and this is for this GIF loader, right. And I have added the jQuery CDN, the jQuery using CDN. If you don't know, you can visit jQuery CDN and click it here, and you can copy, minified and uncompress both of them, right. That's your choice. Just copy this and you can replace and you can paste it here, right. And here are my own jQuery content it here. So window.onload, right, when I load the content, this will happen, right. So window.onload, this is the event listener of the jQuery, and status.fadeout means this one, status.fadeout means this will be disappear, right. So PreLoader means this one, PreLoader will be disappear after 350 millisecond, right. You can see, refresh and you can see 350 millisecond, right, will disappear. And body will by default the body content means this content will be disappear, right, means invisible. So we make visible for making body.delay 350 and add the CSS which is overflow visible, because by default the body content is invisible, right. So you can understand. So if you have a problem to understand, so just understand like this. This is for making this GIF, right. So first this GIF will see, we can see, and after that the body content, right. So by default this content is invisible and this is visible when load. So let's see style.css. so CSS and style.css, just drag it and drop it here. So you can see the body content is hidden, means invisible, and PreLoader, right. So PreLoader is this one. So this is a fixed and we have made it a center, right. So fixed, top is 0, left is 0, right is 0, bottom is 0, right. We want to a PreLoader center like this. So this is PreLoader, and PreLoader have the child which is status, which is this one, status, and status width and height. This is for making a center content, right. So this is for that. And status.gif, this one is important. So I'll show you status image and status.gif. you can change it, right. You can change it. It's a GIF image, you can download on Google, right. So image and status.gif, right. So we have done a preloader in a jQuery, HTML and CSS. So I will suggest and recommend you to add this in your website, right? Because it's pretty good and it's make nice effect in our website. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and next video I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye.